Hi there and welcome to this new unit about Matomo Tag Manager training. So in today's session we are going to see what are tag management system in general. So tag management system, the acronym is TMS. So most of you probably know what a content management system is, such as Drupal or WordPress. CMS are here in order to manage some content, okay, such as text, such as images, everything which deal with blog posts, pages, let's say in general text content. Tag management system are here in order to manage what we call tags, which are nothing more than a synonym for tracking code. So TMS are a software, a system in order for you to manage the tracking code with a user interface exactly like CMS are doing for content. So basically you will use TMS in many cases, and I will say in all cases, most of the cases, for better management, because it's going to help you better communicate with your team. You will use it as well in order to ensure or at least to increase the security of your system. You will use it as well in order to manage properly all your tags, and as well to better follow your project, and also to decrease the loading time of some scripts on your website. So it works in this way. In fact, you insert on all the pages on which you would like to fire some tags a tracking code that we call a container, and then it's thanks to this container that you're gonna have a UI, and that you will be able to publish, to trigger, to fire all the different tags that you're going to insert within the UI of your website. So to make it simple, in the old system, you had like several analytics solution or even several marketing solution that you were inserting on your website by copying and pasting multiple tags. So you had a configuration where sometimes you even have up to 20 different tags on the same page. With a tag management system, now you just have one JavaScript on all your pages, and it's this given JavaScript which will be controlled through UI. There are several things and issues that the TMS can fix. So just to give you a couple of examples that what you are used to do in the past and now which can be fixed with the TMS. Let's imagine, for example, that you want to track an internal search engine that you have on your website, and that when the search is performed on this given search engine, there's no URL parameter which are passed through the address bar of your browser. That's an issue because most of the internal search engine used for analytics are using the parameter pass in order to analyze what was the request typed by the user. So if you want actually to get this data, you need to ask to a developer to implement it. But thanks to TMS, for example, that's the kind of thing where you can do it on your own without knowing coding and without requesting the help of a developer. You just need to go within the UI of the tag management system and just to press the right button in order to execute this given line of code which will grab the search query. And many other cases like this we can of course mention, for example, tracking forms. If you would like to know, for example, how many quotes have been sent or how many contact forms have been sent, it's very easy to do that with a tag management system. If you would like to track some interaction, for example, on some media players or even user which are scrolling down your website, that's the kind of thing that you can easily fix with a tag management system. And in order for you to really well understand what is a tag management system, the best thing is actually to try to define it with your own word. And if you succeed to do so, you will pass this given unit. Thanks for watching.